Hey guys, in this video, it's going to be a weekly recap of the 4 trades that I took, and out of those 4, I actually didn't enter on 2 of them due to psychology and distractions, so I want to get into it. But if I had entered all the trades that I should have executed, it would have been a 4-0 week, which I'm absolutely stoked about. I actually don't know what it is in risk to reward. Uh, I'd like to find out, but uh, let's just get straight into it. So I'm not going to go into every trade in depth because I've already done recaps, but I took an NQ long a while back. Oh, not a while back, 3 days ago. I missed my entry because we hit my entry, so we hit equilibrium down here, if you can see. Hit equilibrium. I was literally in the process of entering, and then we started ripping up. So I just exited the position as I was only in with half the risk that I wanted. I just exited, and then I put my limit orders back down here. We didn't come back down here. Instead, we hit full TP, and that was a 1 to 2.5. So that's awesome. Secondly, I entered this Ethereum trade. Now, I entered this Ethereum trade at the start of the week on the Monday. And this is, psychology again, I would say. So I entered, you can see, there's my entry. We came down straight away, and then we were chopping. Um, now, there are fees, and the fees are expensive, the swap fees. So I think I paid $1.50 on fees out of risking $20, so that's a lot for 5 days. So I exited at this red line, as you can see. Let's go. So I just probably exited at the worst possible time, but it's all good. So I exited there. I'm like, you know what, stuff it. We have the new Fed chair coming in tomorrow, which is, yeah, we have like American tomorrow. We have the new Fed chair coming in tomorrow. Like, it's probably bullish for crypto. We're obviously not priced in because we've been coming down. So I just exited. Anyway, trade played out, which is awesome. And I need to keep this in mind, and this is a reminder to me that the strategy does, if it's chopping around, it doesn't forget about my zones. My zones are usually respected, even if we are 5 days down the track, like in this case. You know what I mean? I'm trading with the trend, like good. I mean, the draws and liquidity are very strong, but we've already taken a lot out. I wouldn't be saying my liquidity is the reason we're coming for it, but yeah, I would say it's my zones. Um, and this is an awesome trade. I'm not going to go over it. I already did in another video. But unfortunately, we exited right here, and then we came straight down for that TP1, which is the 1 to 2. So we're already up. So we're already up 1R on this trade because I would have taken 50% off 50% of the position off at TP1. So that's 1R, and then plus 2.5 on the other trade. That's 3.5R right now. Let's fucking go. So we're going to go on to the next trade, which was this one. Psychology reasons. Not going to go over the trade too much. And I targeted. Oh yeah, that one. I targeted this high. So you can see we made relative equal highs here with this high and then this high. 1 to 1.4. Stop loss was here. 3.5. We're at 5.5, you guys. Let's fucking go. 5.5 R on the week. This was a great trade. Not going to go over it as I believe I already did. Yeah, I definitely already did. Let's have a look. I don't watch Fortnite. I don't know why that's come up. Trade recap. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I've already done the trade recap. So if you want to look at this, it was a great trade. I'd have a look at it, and you'll be able to see my mistake, which was greed. It was greed. So I'll just quickly. It was just risk to reward. So instead of the 1 to 2.3, I wanted the 1 to 3. You know what I mean? I wanted this trade. So yeah, really should have entered here. Stop loss would have went about there. So yeah, 1 to 2.5 or 5.5 R on the week. Now this next trade I will go over. So I'm just gonna be totally honest. I do not play video games. Like I wish I did because I really enjoy them, but I don't play video games. I don't enjoy it anymore. And last night I'm like, you know what, fuck it. I'm just gonna send it and like play some games. It fucked me. It really fucked me. So I was playing games. Obviously at 11:30, I'm on the charts again, just having a look. I didn't think I'd get an entry. I was just looking, and then this candle closes. This one here. So the 11 o'clock candle. So this is the midnight candle. So this opens, and right now I'm playing my game. So I just had no idea. And then I come back and the candle's about here. I come back and the candle's about here. It was chopping around here for like half an hour. I think I came back at 12:30, have a look, and I saw that we had this beautiful setup. So I'm gonna quickly go over it. 1 hour, 1 hour high confluence fair value gap. The resistance is a little bit choppy, but I was so willing to take it because we were so close to these highs up here. I'm like, awesome. And we were also very bullish that night with news. 4 hour time frame, we're very bullish on the 4 hour. Not much to go off. We have this unmitigated 4 hour down here that is probably price wants to come back towards, but we inversed this one over here, so I wasn't too stressed about it. And yeah, the drawn liquidity, as I said. So you know what? Not and it was it would have been my first trade on the Russell. I'm just I had a look at the Russell today. I'm like, oh, let's actually check it out. And I'm like, oh damn, there's actually setups down here. We didn't get the retracement unfortunately, because I definitely would have taken these because I was I had alerts set, but this setup only appeared when this candlestick closed because we formed the fair value gap, so I wasn't aware of that. And then yeah, we came down, and then I came back to the charts here. Yeah, 12:30 on the dot. Right here, I came back on the charts, and then I set limit orders. I went to bed here. We were down here. I'm like, oh, awesome. I'll just stay up for a second, and then I went to bed. I'm like, yeah, stuffed, cooked. So I got rid of the limit orders because I was worried would come for my drawn liquidity because I was very confident in that, and then we'd hit limit orders, and I'm like, no, I don't want to get in after that getting taken. But yeah, so 4-0, and this trade was, we'll say a 1 to 1.5, so plus 7R on the week. Let's fucking go. Let's go. And we're still in this Ethereum trade technically. I mean, come on. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. I'm so hyped right now. So, it's great to see. Oh, look at that. So we got one trade on the Russell, one trade on the NQ, one trade on the Dow, one trade on ETH. Technically, we'd still be in this ETH trade for shorting, but it's alright. So, yeah, the plan for me is next week on Thursday, I'm going to get a 100k FTMO account. FTMO, Fivers, one of the two. I don't really know. Let me know if you guys have any opinions on them. And we'll go from there. We'll go from there. We've got a live account, which we're down. There was $2,000 in there. I withdrew $1,000. So technically the total is 1,000, and there's $930 in there. But after this week, we'd definitely be up, guys. We'd definitely be up. So it's great to see. I just, by the way, this trade on the Dow that I didn't enter for greed reasons, I didn't journal this. This one, I haven't journaled yet because I've just woken up and, I woke up like 2 hours ago, but I'm not a loser, don't worry. I woke up like 2 hours ago. This trade I will journal because I really would have taken this. I mean, I set the limit orders. I know I would have taken it. So it's just for the forward testing. Even if it wasn't a good trade, it's just for the forward testing. The Dow, I actually wouldn't have entered unless it hit this 1 hour fair value gap for greed reasons. So I'm not going to journal. That's my fault. But I journaled it in my psychology thing. Anyway, like psych notes. I have these psych notes here that I just started. Trading checklist. I do not know. You can go, I don't know where it is, on Notion, and you can go to the Notion AI and be like, hey, can you make me something? Crazy. So I said to it, new chat, here, make me a trading journal. So you can literally do this. You can go to Notion and say, make me a trading journal, make me a trading checklist, and it will do it all for you. The trading journal over here, it did for me, which I'll go over in a quick second. I just want to show you guys. I haven't done the trading journal one. This is my own trading journal one. I didn't know you could do this. Let's see if it keeps loading. So came up with all this. You can edit it, which is what I did. You got pre-market, strategy, the entry plan. I'm yet to use it. Because I only did it last night. But like, I'm obviously gonna tweak it. That's what I mean. I'm yet to use it. I'm gonna tweak it. But I've changed it. If you want, pause the video and you can have a quick look. But I think it's really, really cool. Let's have a look at what it just made me. So this is what it just made me, guys. Date, market. Oh wow. Oh wow. Guys, come on. Direction, time frames. Oh, there you go. That's really cool because swing and intraday is that's a really good idea right there. See, you just get ideas. Outcome, P&L, setup, tags. reviewed entry price. Wow. Come on, guys, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I'm going to keep this here and maybe implement some things like, what did I like? Time frame, that's a cool one. But that's it. So I'm about to journal the Russell. I just did it here so I remembered it because had 4 trades. I was like forgetting shit. Ethereum. So, here we go. Here's a good picture for you guys. This is the trade here. Like, this is when I exited and yeah, obviously not good. The trade was great. Yes, I did add to the position, by the way. I should probably add, which was valid, because I de-risked in this one. So I was risking 15, then I risked $5 here. Yeah, well, that's it. That's it. And then I got win or loss, break even, but I exited it. I didn't move. Stop losses were always up here, which I thought were very big. That's what I didn't like as well. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please comment what you think I can do better. And yeah, have a good day or night, wherever you are.